Okay, video. This is our room. It's Maria. This is our water cooler that we have to fill. It's our balcony. We're on the second floor.
Oh, our bottle collection. Collection.
And that's our bottle collection.
Of all the bottles that we've drank so far.
And that's not even half of them, I don't think. So going down the hall. Hi, Nisha. This is the bath. Say hi. Pyle, say hi. Oh, Pyle ignores me. It's okay. I'm just kidding. Down there is where we eat food. Hi. Hi, Kazoom. I'm taking a video. No, okay, fine. I won't. My goodness. This is where the laundry's done. This is our original. Sorry. Here's a toilet. Upstairs just goes to more rooms. Say hi. No? Yeah. It's a video. See, it's a video. But hold on, I'll show you after, okay? Here's downstairs. Oh, sorry. There's the classrooms for the little kids. Hi, Meenakshi. Here's Annie's office. Here's where they sometimes eat and pray. There's the gate. Dainty. Now we're downward, ocean floor. Video. And here is the room where we eat all our meals. And that's they wash dishes. Taking a video. And back up again. Where the laundry is. Hi, Shashi. Oh, sorry. And then, oh, that's also where they lay out their cots to sleep at night. And to the third floor. Also, as well.